Which of the following is the oldest temple in India? A. Brihadishwarar Temple. B. Somnath Temple. C. Mundeshwari Temple. D. Konark Sun Temple. Answer: C. Mundeshwari Temple. The Mundeshwari Temple, located in Bihar, is considered the oldest surviving Hindu temple in India, dating back to around 108 AD. Where is the famous Golden Temple situated? A. Delhi. B. Amritsar. C. Varanasi. D. Haridwar. Answer: B. Amritsar. The Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib, is located in Amritsar, Punjab, and is the holiest Sikh shrine. Which temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu in Odisha? A. Jagannath Temple. B. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. C. Meenakshi Temple. D. Somnath Temple. Answer: A. Jagannath Temple. The Jagannath Temple in Puri, Odisha, is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and is one of the Char Dham pilgrimage sites. Which temple is known for its massive granite statue of Lord Vishnu, called Vishnu Anantasena? A. Vaishno Devi Temple. B. Srirangam Temple. C. Kedarnath Temple. D. Badrinath Temple. Answer: B. Srirangam Temple. The Srirangam Temple in Tamil Nadu is known for its grand Vishnu statue, which is a unique depiction of the reclining Lord Vishnu. Where is the famous Kailasa Temple located? A. Ellora Caves. B. Ajanta Caves. C. Badami Caves. D. Elephanta Caves. Answer: A. Ellora Caves. The Kailasa Temple in Ellora Caves, Maharashtra, is an architectural marvel carved from a single monolithic rock and dedicated to Lord Shiva. Which temple is famous for its intricate carvings of erotic sculptures? A. Sun Temple. B. Khajuraho Temple. C. Brihadishwarar Temple. D. Lingaraj Temple. Answer: B. Khajuraho Temple. The Khajuraho temples, located in Madhya Pradesh, are renowned for their stunning carvings, including erotic sculptures that symbolize various aspects of life. The Ramanathaswamy Temple is located in which state of India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: A. Tamil Nadu. The Ramanathaswamy Temple is located in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Which temple is located in the city of Varanasi? A. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. B. Meenakshi Temple. C. Badrinath Temple. D. Sanchi Stupa. Answer: A. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. The Kashi Vishwanath Temple in Varanasi is one of the most famous temples dedicated to Lord Shiva and is a major pilgrimage site. Which temple is known for its architectural style known as Nagara? A. Brihadishwarar Temple. B. Konark Sun Temple. C. Somnath Temple. D. Lakshminarayan Temple. Answer: B. Konark Sun Temple. The Konark Sun Temple in Odisha is an example of the Nagara architectural style, dedicated to the sun god. The Meenakshi Temple is located in which city? A. Chennai. B. Madurai. C. Hyderabad. D. Ahmedabad. Answer: B. Madurai. The Meenakshi Temple, dedicated to goddess Meenakshi, a form of Parvati, is located in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Where is the famous Somnath Temple located? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer: A. Gujarat. The Somnath Temple in Saurashtra, Gujarat, is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva and is an important pilgrimage site. Which temple is located on an island in the Pamban Channel? A. Rameshwaram Temple. B. Shabarimala Temple. C. Meenakshi Temple. D. Tirupati Temple. Answer: A. Rameshwaram Temple. The Rameshwaram Temple is situated on Rameshwaram Island in Tamil Nadu, connected to the mainland by the Pamban Bridge. Which of the following temples is dedicated to the sun god? A. Konark Sun Temple. B. Brihadishwarar Temple. C. Kailasa Temple. D. Jagannath Temple. Answer: A. Konark Sun Temple. The Konark Sun Temple in Odisha is dedicated to the sun god and is one of the greatest architectural achievements in India. Which temple is located in the state of Uttarakhand and is dedicated to Lord Shiva? A. Kedarnath Temple. B. Vaishno Devi Temple. C. Somnath Temple. D. Badrinath Temple. Answer: A. Kedarnath Temple. The Kedarnath Temple, situated in the Himalayas, is one of the Char Dham shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. Which temple is known for its 1000-pillared hall? A. Brihadishwarar Temple. B. Rameshwaram Temple. C. Meenakshi Temple. D. Virupaksha Temple. Answer: C. Meenakshi Temple. The Meenakshi Temple in Madurai is famous for its 1000-pillar hall, a stunning example of Dravidian architecture. Where is the famous Akshardham Temple located? A. Delhi. B. Gandhinagar. C. Mumbai. D. Jaipur. Answer: A. Delhi. The Akshardham Temple in Delhi is dedicated to Lord Swaminarayan and is known for its grandeur and cultural exhibitions. Which temple is famous for its stone chariot? A. Sun Temple. B. Srirangam Temple. C. Hampi Virupaksha Temple. D. Konark Sun Temple. Answer: D. Konark Sun Temple. The Konark Sun Temple is famous for its unique stone chariot, which is a symbolic representation of the sun god's chariot. Which temple is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh and dedicated to Lord Shiva? A. Vaishno Devi Temple. B. Bajanath Temple. C. Rishikesh Temple. D. Badrinath Temple. Answer: B. Bajanath Temple. The Bajanath Temple, located in Himachal Pradesh, is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. The Sun Temple at Modhera is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Orissa. Answer: A. Gujarat. The Sun Temple at Modhera, Gujarat, is dedicated to the sun god and is a significant historical and architectural site. Which temple is famous for its temple complex, including a large tank and ornate columns? A. Virupaksha Temple. B. Brihadishwarar Temple. C. Kanchipuram Temple. D. Khajuraho Temple. Answer: A. Virupaksha Temple. The Virupaksha Temple in Hampi, Karnataka, is renowned for its complex architecture, including a large tank and ornately carved columns. Which temple is considered the most sacred pilgrimage site for Hindus and is located in Jammu and Kashmir? A. Amarnath Temple. B. Vaishno Devi Temple. C. Kedarnath Temple. D. Somnath Temple. Answer: B. Vaishno Devi Temple. The Vaishno Devi Temple, located in Katra, Jammu and Kashmir, is one of the most visited Hindu pilgrimage sites in India. Which temple is known for its towering spire and is located in Rajasthan? A. Dilwara Temples. B. Sanchi Stupa. C. Somnath Temple. D. Kumbhalgad Fort Temple. Answer: A. Dilwara Temples. The Dilwara temples in Rajasthan are famous for their stunning marble architecture and intricate carvings. Which of the following temples is dedicated to Lord Krishna? A. Jagannath Temple. B. Vrindavan Temple. C. Meenakshi Temple. D. Srirangam Temple. Answer: B. Vrindavan Temple. The Vrindavan Temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna and is one of the most important pilgrimage destinations for devotees of Lord Krishna. Which temple is known for its unique architecture and is located in Rajasthan? A. Ajmer Sharif Dargah. B. Brahma Temple. C. Vaishno Devi Temple. D. Iklingji Temple. Answer: B. Brahma Temple. The Brahma Temple in Pushkar, Rajasthan, is the only temple in India dedicated to Lord Brahma. Where is the famous temple dedicated to Lord Venkateswara situated? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. Answer: B. Andhra Pradesh. The Venkateswara Temple, located in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, is one of the richest and most visited temples in India. The famous Kedarnath Temple is located in which mountain range? A. Western Ghats. B. Aravalli Range. C. Himalayan Range. D. Vindhya Range. Answer: C. Himalayan Range. The Kedarnath Temple is located in the Himalayan Range, specifically in Uttarakhand. Which temple is located on the hill of Chamundi and dedicated to goddess Chamundeshwari? A. Meenakshi Temple. B. Chamundeshwari Temple. C. Rameshwaram Temple. D. Golden Temple. Answer: B. Chamundeshwari Temple. The Chamundeshwari Temple, located on Chamundi Hill in Mysore, Karnataka, is dedicated to goddess Chamundeshwari. Which temple is situated on the island of Mandvi? A. Somnath Temple. B. Lakshmi Vilas Temple. C. Dwarkadish Temple. D. Rameshwaram Temple. Answer: C. Dwarkadish Temple. The Dwarkadish Temple, located on the Dwarka Island in Gujarat, is dedicated to Lord Krishna. Which of these temples is located on a floating island? A. Puri Jagannath Temple. B. Vaishno Devi Temple. C. Umananda Temple. D. Amarnath Temple. Answer: C. Umananda Temple. Umananda Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is located on a small island in the Brahmaputra River in Guwahati, Assam. The Brihadishwarar Temple is situated in which city? A. Chennai. B. Madurai. C. Thanjavur. D. Rameshwaram. Answer: C. Thanjavur. The Brihadishwarar Temple, located in Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, is an architectural masterpiece dedicated to Lord Shiva.